Hello everyone, this is my first video on IELTS general reading. In this introductory video, I am going to introduce IELTS general reading to you. That means what are the formats, the patterns and some basic information. So, as you can see, there are 3 sections and 40 questions that will be asked to you. And the total time that you will get for this is 1 hour or 60 minutes. That means you have to spend about 20 minutes time on each section. Each sections will have 13 to 14 questions. You will not get any additional time to transfer your answers. In total, there will be 5 passages that will be asked, in which there will be 4 short passages. That will be section 1 and section 2. I will show you what is short passages. That means 2 passages in each section 1 and 2, and there will be 1 long passage that will be asked in section 3. And there will be different types of questions that will be asked to you. So I am going to show you what are the types of questions. You can see these are different types of questions that will be asked to you. So I'm going to show you what it means by short passage, what it means by longer passage. And in coming videos, we are going to take one section, one type of question each, and I'll show you how to tackle this type of questions. But before I'll move to the next video, let me show you what exactly the question looks like, and what is the short passage and long passage. So you can see here. Now this is the example of the section 1, and this is a short passage. So you can see the length of the passage. So this is the length of the passage, right? And this is the question. Another example of you can see the short passage and there are questions. And now you can see the example of longer passage. You can see here, this is the longer passage. You can see it covers almost 2 pages. And there will be more than 1 type of questions that can be asked. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you must have understood about the format of IELTS reading and what different types of questions that is asked in IELTS reading class. Thank you very much for watching this video.